Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the Galwan War Memorial in Ladakh yesterday. The Royal Air Force of Oman has transferred 20 retired Jaguars to India that will be used for spares. India Optel Limited has completed trials of the indigenous telescopic sight for AK-203 rifles in Sikkim and Rajasthan, and has now entered final production validation. The DRDO has offered the 110 km range Astra Mark 1 missile for Egypt's MiG-29 fighter jets, as Egypt looks to replace its aging 80 km range Russian Su-57 missiles. Turkey has offered its ANKA-3 Stealthy UCAV to Pakistan with a proposal for local production, if Pakistan orders at least 100 units. While the Pakistani media has been making a lot of noise about the recent test of the 350 km range Smash missile as a supposed threat to Indian naval warships, it's important to note that for Pakistan to launch the Smash missile, their naval assets would have to come within that 350 km range of an Indian warship that are already equipped with the 450 km range BrahMos missile, as well as Barricade systems that can effectively neutralize such threats. IIT-K and startup VU Dynamics have unveiled an AI-guided loitering munition that features a 6 kg warhead, 100 km range, 144 km per hour cruise speed, 15-minute endurance and silent battery-powered flight. National Aerospace Laboratories has successfully flight-tested India's first morphing wing technology on a UAV, which uses a flexible leading edge that changes shape in real time to improve lift and reduce drag. The technology can now be scaled to future fighter jets, to replace slats and flaps, that will reduce radar signature significantly. Russia has confirmed that although the Indian Air Force has shown strong interest in the S-500 system, Russia cannot export it yet due to limited production. A small number of S-500 units are operational, that are currently reserved for domestic deployment. Russia has assured that India will be the first foreign customer once production exceeds internal demand in 2030. Until then, Moscow is urging India to complete its expanded S-400 order, and is offering co-development of next-generation interceptors, including a 400 km plus missile that could serve as a bridge toward future S-500 integration. The Indian Navy and DRDO are fast-tracking a sea-based ballistic missile defense network that will utilize DRDO's BMD Phase 2 interceptors AD-1 and AD-2, expected to enter service by 2027. The naval versions will be more compact, and will feature vertical hot launch canisters, giving destroyers and frigates the ability to intercept intermediate range and medium range ballistic missiles up to 5,000 kilometers. Retired U.S. Air Force Lieutenant Colonel Karen Kwiatkowski has said that Russia's Su-57 outperforms America's F-35, offering over twice the combat range, higher speed, and carrying a far heavier and more diverse weapons load. She also added that the Su-57's twin engines, 3D thrust vectoring, and higher survivability make it superior in contested GPS-denied or electronic warfare-heavy environments. She also pointed out that the F-35's real strength comes only when it operates inside the full US and NATO network of AWACS satellites, data links and logistics systems, and this advantage disappears outside that ecosystem. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.